Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present about DC meters. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. First, we have Syaki bin Abdul Majid. Second, Afiq Aiman bin Asmawi. And last, we have Muhammad Zahrul Fahan bin Muhammad. I am going to present how to use analog multimeter to measure voltage. First, set the multimeter to the appropriate voltage range. Choose a range that is equal to or higher than the expected voltage you want to measure. Next, turn off the circuit. Ensure the circuit you want to measure is turned off to prevent any accidents or damage to the multimeter. Third, connect the test lead. Insert the black negative test lead into the COM socket and the red positive test lead into the voltage socket on the multimeter. Next, select the appropriate voltage function. Some analog multimeters have different functions such as AC, which is alternating current, or DC, which is direct current. Next, connect the multimeter in parallel. To measure voltage, you need to connect the multimeter in parallel with the component or points in the circuit where you want to measure the voltage. Next, turn on the circuit. Once the multimeter is connected in parallel, you can turn on the circuit to allow voltage to be measured. Last, read the multimeter. The analog needle on the multimeter's display will move to indicate the voltage.
I am Zarul. I will show you how to use analog multimeter to measure resistance. First, set the multimeter. Turn the dial to resistance setting. This setting is usually indicated by the omega symbol. Second, zero the multimeter. Touch the two test lead red and black together. This should ideally read 0 on the multimeter scale. If not, adjust the 0 ohm adjustment or ohm adjust knob if available to set it to 0. Third, connect the lead. Make sure the device you want to measure is disconnected from any power source. Connect the red lead to one end of the resistor or component and the black lead to the another end. Next, read the value. Look at the analog scale on the multimeter. The pointer should move and indicated the resistance value in ohms. Read the value where the point stop. Last, record the measurement. Note down the resistance value that you obtain.
Hi, I'm Syaki. Now I continue this slide. Now I will show how to use analog multimeter to measure current. First, set the multimeter to the current mode. Second, turn off the circuit you want to measure. Third, connect the multimeter in series with the circuit. 4. Red probe goes in the A jack. Black probe in the COM jack. 5. Read the current on the analog scale. 6. Turn off the circuit and multimeter when done. Be careful not to exceed the scaled current range to avoid damage.